Hi everyone, today I am here to talk about black currant tea and why I believe diabetics should make it part of their daily routine because of the 10 amazing benefits of it I'll talk about today. So, this delicious tea is packed not only with flavor but beneficial antioxidants, as well as making it a great choice for those with diabetes. Now, black currant tea can help keep the blood sugar levels in check while also providing key nutrients. Now, beyond that, black currant tea can also help reduce inflammation throughout your body, leading to better overall health both in the short and the long terms. So if you are a diabetic who is looking for ways to boost your energy and manage your diabetes naturally, black currant tea should be at the top of your list. I'm not a diabetic and I drink it every evening. With its one-of-a-kind tart and sweet flavor, the black currant tea has been renowned for centuries actually. It's nothing new. While no other beverage can quite compare, drinking black currant tea can provide many health benefits, from the antioxidants to all the nutrients in it that improves your overall health. Additionally, the calming and soothing effects of this warm beverage just adds to the appeal of drinking this delicious tea. Whether you are looking for a satisfying cup before bed or trying to reduce inflammation, adopting black currant tea in your regular routine could naturally improve your daily life. Now, black currant has fruits that resembles blueberries with large, big leaves and earthy, tart taste, reminiscent of a passion fruit syrups. There's also a distinctive sweet note that resembles a mix of raspberry and grape raisin flavors. So enjoy the black currant tea in its true form, or add some sweetener for a fuller flavor if you like the sweetness. It's your choice. So if you are looking to explore something delicious and unique, black currant tea is the perfect way to go. Now, it is time to talk about this 10 benefits of black currant tea. Number 1, it's a vitamin and antioxidant rich. Black currants provide 4 times as much vitamin C as oranges do. One of the most important nutrients, vitamin C, can help the body heal tissues and strengthen your immune system. In addition to this, black currants are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin B, and E. These have a ton of antioxidants and aid in cell repair and cognitive function. Number 2, like we discussed, immune system booster. This tea has a lot of vitamin C and a fatty acid called gamma linolenic acid. And along with that, with the vitamin C, it supports your immune system. Number 3, anti-inflammatory, right? Black currant tea can help in reducing inflammation in your body, such as brought by discomfort after exercise. So you work out a little bit, you feel a little sore. This herbal tea contains an antioxidant called anthocyanin, which also helps in repairing damaged muscles and reduce the inflammation in them. If you have arthritis pain, if you have some menopause symptoms, the aches and pains that occur with age, etc., will all be better with this tea. Now, number 4, it's going to help hormone regulation in women especially. Now, the menopause is a phase when a woman's hormone volatility is at its worst. They have a lot of different symptoms, and it's good to know that progesterone, estrogen, testosterone levels in the body can be controlled by the antioxidants found in this black currant. Additionally, some PMS symptoms, like the ones some of you will have, that the younger ones, can actually get benefit from this tea. Number 5, it strengthens the memory. So because of the abundance of the antioxidants in black currants, it acts as a barrier or a safeguard for your brain. Additionally, the plant's iron content can improve the brain's ability, and that's not a heme iron that you see in the meat, okay? It helps your body to carry oxygen and so forth. After all, an adequately nourished and oxygenated brain is often the one that functions better. So, number 6, it improves your ability to sleep. Now, tea drinkers may experience relaxation and some serenity after a cup. I do. The blood flow and oxygen delivery to your body are significantly enhanced by this tea. As previously mentioned in this video, I would say its anti-inflammatory action again helps in reducing the muscle exhaustion. So after a long day, that's what you need. Your body will feel lighter and more at ease as a result, which will make it simpler for you to drift to the sleep. In addition, blackcurrant tea is devoid of caffeine, a stimulant also present in coffee and certain varieties of teas, especially some Chinese teas, right? Like green tea and so forth. Blackcurrant is not like that, so it's not gonna get you sleepless. Number 7, it reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, which a lot of diabetics suffer from. Now, this herbal beverage contains ingredients that can help in preventing bacterial growth in the urinary tract. These bacteria can result in urinary tract infections if they're not treated or taken care of. Now, blackcurrant tea can be used to clean surfaces and limit the spread of bacteria in those mucosal surfaces. And number 8, there's benefits for heart and cholesterol accumulation in your arteries. So, as you know, the LDL, the bad cholesterol, is a problem. It is fortunate that the blackcurrants contain significant levels of flavonoid. They are plant components that help raise the HDL, which is good cholesterol. And the fatty cholesterol, especially the LDL, is absorbed by the HDL. So when you have higher HDL, it supports your liver. It helps reduce the risk or damage from LDL. So as a result, the high blood pressure, heart attacks, or stroke risk will be reduced. Now, number 9, it's going to give you healthy skin and collagen, a substance that keeps your skin smooth and delays the appearance of wrinkles. That is from blackcurrant tea. Some people ask me, or they think that I have a good skin. Well, I may think that blackcurrant is contributing to that. Again, it's rich in antioxidants and vitamin C and helps in recovery of your injured skin cells. And number 10, benefits for the eyes. Now, that GLA we talked about and vitamin C, the blackcurrants are high in those and they help in your eyes. These fatty acids increase the eye's blood flow and lessen the eye tiredness. Even our ability to see in the dark may improve as a result of this. Now, blackcurrant tea is very advantageous for glaucoma patients, which again, very common among diabetic patients. It decreases the loss of vision because of glaucoma over time. So there you go, you got 10 of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I did, at least, right? So, but please subscribe to our channel, save the video if you liked it, share it, right, with your friends. Don't keep it to yourself, and make sure you, while you're at it, go ahead and get some blackcurrant tea and pour yourself a cup. You will start feeling the difference in just after a few nights. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time soon. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.